Hello, my friend. How are you today? Are you good? Great to hear. My name is Teacher Monika. So let's get started. Lesson 5 today. 2 pictures. Picture number 1. What is this? It's the sun, of course. What letter is this? What letter is this? S. Great job. What sound does it make? Sound. Very good. Sound. Excellent. Picture number 2. What is this? Pig. Of course. You know animals very well. What letter is this? P. Letter P. Very good. What sound does it make? P sound. P sound. Very good. S and P together will make what sound? Very good. Sp sound. Sp. Sp. Great job. So let us see words for today. Word number 1. I'll read first and you follow. Spot. 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 Very good. Spot. I see many black spots. Let us make a sentence. Can you think of a sentence? Sentence. I have my sentence. I will write for you. And you please read it for me. My sentence is, here you go. Can you read that sentence for me, please? I have a spot on my shirt. Excellent job. Next word is speed. Speed. Together, speed. Excellent. Say again, please. Yes, speed. Good job. What is speed? What does it mean? Yes, it is how fast something moves. How fast something moves. Very good. And one more. Spin. 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 Well done. Spin. Very good. Again. Spin. Good job. What does it mean to spin something? Yes, to turn around. To turn around. Spin is to turn around. Very, very good. Okay, so let's do this. I delete the words. Okay, no words. You will not see the words. Yes, they are gone now. Now I say the word and you circle the picture, okay? Let's do it. Speed. Speed. Yes, fantastic. You chose the right one. This is speed. The next one is spin. Spin. You are right. This is spin.